Hey, what's going on, guys? My name's John Erickson. Thanks so much for having me read. Looks like a great project.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Your favorite fruit drink.
Yep, that's the one.
I never thought that this vacation home you bought years ago would ever come in handy.
Yeah, I thought about selling it a few times.
Good thing you didn't, or we would have nowhere to stay at the moment.
You know, I've been doing a lot of thinking lately.
You've had a lot on your mind, I'm sure.
It's not just that. It's more about what this job means to our family.
What do you mean?
I mean, working out of Washington, D.C., being on the East Coast, the rest of the family on the West Coast, not being there for our kids.
Well, it's not like they're little anymore.
True, but it's the distance, the separation. That's what's really bothering me.
Are you saying you don't want the job?
I just don't know if it's worth it.
Well, you've always wanted to serve your country.
Yes, but it's the price of our family worth it? I mean, there are plenty of other qualified candidates, I'm sure.
Of course there are, but I don't think any of our kids will want to see you give up this opportunity for them.
You know, Kathleen, as much as I would love to have this job, I'm not willing to sacrifice our family for it.
Are you sure about this?
Yes. It just feels right.
How are we going to tell the kids?
Don't worry. I'll talk to them tomorrow.